YouTube, we have a very special video. Now, this is not about me. This is about Skater Chicks 101. Even though she doesn't post videos on her thing anymore. But she needs to. Or you don't go by your YouTube name. But yeah, this is, yeah.
I post all my videos on yours, so.
So, Joey, watch this video.
This is something really true. Yeah. Now you know who I like, everyone.
Who she loves, in quotes.
Love. Because, yeah, I'm dating him, obviously.
So, Joey, watch this video.
Yeah, so, watch this video. And, yeah, obviously, we've known, liked you ever since 3rd grade. What? Okay.
They've only known each other for 1 grade. 2.
2, couldn't go into 5th.
Yeah. And they're already dating. That's like whacked up.
You're whacked up. Oh my god.